If you want to make your dreams come true, it's important to set clear and specific goals that will help you achieve your desired outcome. Break your goals down into actionable steps and take consistent action towards them, even if it means taking small steps each day.
Making your dream a reality takes persistence and hard work. Don't give up when things get tough. Stay committed to your goals and work towards them every day. Celebrate your small wins along the way, and keep pushing yourself to achieve more.
Firstly, you need to learn how to deal with failure. Failure is an inevitable part of any journey towards success. Rather than letting failure discourage you, embrace it as a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong, what you could have done differently, and how you can improve for next time. Use your failures as motivation to keep pushing towards your dreams.
Surrounding yourself with people who believe in you and support your dreams can be incredibly empowering. Seek out mentors, friends, or family members who can offer guidance, encouragement, and constructive feedback. Avoid spending time with people who discourage you or don't share your vision for the future.
Pursuing your dream requires continuous learning and growth. Keep an open mind, seek out new opportunities, and never stop learning. The more you learn and grow, the closer you'll get to making your dream come true.
Sometimes, taking risks is necessary to make your dream come true. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Take calculated risks and learn from your failures along the way. Remember, every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow.
A powerful way to make your dream come true is by visualizing your success. Take some time each day to imagine yourself achieving your goal, and focus on the positive emotions and feelings that come with success. This can help you stay motivated and focused, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks.
I think you need to believe in yourself and your abilities. Self-belief is an essential ingredient for achieving your dreams. If you truly believe that you can accomplish what you set out to do, you'll be more likely to take the necessary steps and overcome any obstacles that come your way. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from pursuing your dreams.
Making your dreams come true requires persistence and adaptability. Be willing to adjust your approach as needed and keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Remember that success rarely comes overnight and that perseverance is key to achieving your dreams.
Dreams are only achieved through action. To make your dream come true, you need to take consistent, purposeful action towards your goal. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or procrastination hold you back. Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and stay committed to your vision.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like and your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss the next videos.